everybody, it's Miss Perry, and today we're going to do some more core word work. And the core word for today is going to be the word look. So when using my LAMP core board, I can find look at the bottom, and the picture is the eyeball. We'll also find other words on this page like see, but today we are going to use the word look. We're also going to take a look at the American Sign Language sign for our core word. So I'm going to go to the signingsavvy.com website that functions like an online sign language dictionary. I searched for the word look, and here is my video demonstration. I can see that he is using 2 fingers and kind of at eye level and coming out to say look. So we can use both signs and our core words as we take a look at the pictures in our book. So let's go over and see it. Look outside. Here's our core word or our sign again for look. Look, A, B. Let's use our core words. Finding our first word. Look. A, B. Wow. We can see those outside. Which one is the B? There it is, black and yellow. Look, A, B. Let's do more. Look, A, butterfly. We can practice that one. Core word, look. A, butterfly. Wow, look at the sentence you made. Nice job. Now, where is the butterfly? There it is. He has 2 blue wings. Look, a butterfly. Look, a frog. Let's use our words. Core word, look. A frog. Ooh, let's find the frog in the book. Which one is the frog? There it is, a green frog. Look, a snail. Ooh, we can use our core word. Let's clear at the bottom first. Look, a I'm not sure where to find the word snail, so I'm going to search. It's not a core word, and it may not be on my board. But here it tells me the sequence to look under come, water animals, and we should find snail. So let's go back to the home page. Come, water animals. I found it. Snail. Look, a snail. Nice job. Let's find it in the book. Which one is the snail? It's on top. Look, a spider. Whoa! clear. Look. A spider. I don't like spiders. Ooh, let's make a comment. I'm gonna say, do you like spiders? I do not like. No. Or we can use more core words from the past and say, not like. No, I don't like it. But we need to find him in our book, so let's go find him. Where is the spider? That's right. He's on the bottom. Nice job. Good work today using the core word look. Now it's nice weather outside, so everybody can go out safely and look at all the things you can find. Have fun practicing, boys and girls. See you later.